Welcome to this Delft Stack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to fix the Edge can't reach this page error. This issue is usually caused by network problems, outdated drivers, or proxy settings. First, update your network driver, go to the Windows search bar and search for Device Manager. Open Device Manager, maximize it, and find the option labeled Network Adapters. Click the arrow icon to expand it, then right-click your network adapter and choose Update Driver. Click Search automatically for drivers and let Windows install the latest version. Once that is done, close this window, go to the Windows search bar, and search for Settings. Open Settings, then go to Network and Internet from the left side menu. Navigate to Proxy and make sure Automatically Detect Settings is turned off, then close this window. Now reset network-related settings. Go to the Windows search bar, search for CMD, and run command prompt as an administrator. Once that is done, type the following command: ipconfig/flushdns. Press Enter, then press the Windows key, click the power button, and choose to restart your device. After that, your issue should now be fixed. That's it. We just learned how to fix the Edge can't reach this page error by updating the network driver, disabling proxy settings, and flushing DNS. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next Delft Stack tutorial video.